Kodiaq family SUV is one of the jewels of the Skoda model range. It has sold more than 750,000 units since 2016. But now it's time to welcome the next generation. Now, we only have a camouflage version for you to see here, but I can still give you a short glimpse at what to look forward to with the new Kodiaq. The first thing is a new sculptural design language that elegantly combines power and emotion. I've already seen the car without the camouflage, and I guarantee you'll be impressed by its shapes. What's great is that in addition to beauty, the all-new Kodiaq will offer more space. The new generation is 6 centimeters longer, which means more space inside. With more headroom for your passengers and a bigger boot, you and your family will be more comfortable than ever. The interior is brand new. The gear shift lever is on the steering column for the first time. The displays are larger. The controls are all new with a clever combination of digital and haptic response controls. For the first time, a plug-in hybrid version, the Kodiaq IV, will be available with a pure electric range of over 100 kilometers. The entry-level 1.5 TSI engine will debut with mild hybrid technology, and there are also 2 diesel engines, and of course, all-wheel drive. The drive is comfortable and it's quiet. It's exactly what you want from a family SUV. Are you ready for the new Kodiaq in all its beauty? It will be unveiled at the world premiere this autumn.
Skoda.